got something new. This HomePod Mini. Let's unbox it. Garbage. Here we go. Alright, slowly releasing the capsule. New HomePod smell. So, put this to the side and see what else we get in the box. Oh, okay, a HomePod Mini manual. And, okay. Alright, no Apple sticker here, guys. Your standard 20-watt powered brick. Like I need another one, so let's put all this back, shall we? We don't need all this. Well, we need the card. Alright, let's remove this. I like it. It's hard to see. So, put it up here. I got a little distracted. Pop it. There we go. Blowing. Oh, it feels so soft. Let's set it up. I love the tone. Better. Bedroom. Well, guys, I'm going to finish this and I'll test in the next video. So, peace.